What do you need Band-Aid for? Let me see it,
Why would
Owie.
you give him a Band-Aid? We're finna put that stuff on.
You can shut up.
Banana.
Hold him down. Hold him down. Oh, stop.
Let me touch it.
Here. Papa, here. Can we put it on?
I'm gonna touch your Owie.
Stop.
You're fat.
I'm gonna put the Band-Aid on. That's all he wants is a damn Band-Aid.
Oh.
He didn't even touch I'll hold it for you. I'll hold your leg.
No,